Hi everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars. Back again, 2014 Vauxhall Astra. This one's a 1.6 petrol model. It is a limited edition, just a one gent owner from new, 55,000 miles, 10 services, in absolutely incredible condition. Being the limited edition, it has got what I would call the exterior pack, so different bumper and grille, larger wheels, side skirts, rear diffuser. Very nice condition, as you can see. Wheels are all in very good shape. Cosmetically, the car is excellent. It's clearly been very well looked after. It's got the privacy glass, as you can see, on the rear. Reg number there if you would like to do any checks. Feel free. As I mentioned, you've got that nice diffuser. This car will come with a new MOT and a cam belt, and it's currently due cam belt, so we'll just do that within part of this asking price. No additional cost for that. We'll also carry out a service and include a 3-month warranty. But as you see, condition wise, excellent. Very nice looking car. Obviously it is ULEZ compliant, it's petrol. So if you live in one of the cities, this could be for you. I'll show you inside. We'll begin with the boot. Massive boot on these, really deep. We've also got the parcel shelf. And your toolkit and your lock and wheel kit under there. There is room for a space saver spare wheel if you wanted to get one. Looks like I need to get the valet to just to hoover that mat again. Inside the car, this one's equipped with the leather pack, so it's got the perforated black leather with the contrasting white stitch, all in very nice condition. It's got an armrest in the back, and it does have the isofix. The contrast stitch is very nice as well, that works nicely. Front seats are, again, in very good order, minimal wear, as is the steering wheel. There are no doubts about the mileage of this vehicle. You've got the red ambient lighting, electric mirrors. It's got cruise control as well. Heated seats. So there's your cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. We'll just start her up so you can see there's no warning lights, nothing untoward. If I can find the key, there we go. There you go, so all your lights illuminate and go out as they should. And you can see the mileage of just 55,485. That little white light there is your cruise control light. Remember how you switch it off. There you go. Nothing to be concerned about. All your stereo's working. Got FM radio. Don't think we've got DAB on this one. No, just AM, FM. Got CD. Also got auxiliary input, which is just here with USB there. This is a charging port. It is. Quality stereo, heated seats, 3 cup holders in the middle. That's different. I don't think I've ever seen 3 cup holders in the middle. And books are all in the glove box, and that is about it. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111 if you're interested in viewing the vehicle. And again, give us a like and subscribe to keep on top of the stock that we're getting. All of our latest cars go straight onto YouTube. Don't miss out. Just watch them.